guys, and welcome to my channel. Did you guys like that intro? Because I actually really like how it came out, and I put a lot of hard work into that intro, and I wanted to show you guys in this fashion video because I want to do more fashion and lifestyle on my channel, even though I'm already doing that. So yeah, I've changed my YouTube channel banner and my profile picture so that it's a little bit more Mayel, and now I kind of want to brand my channel as like being all like aesthetic or something. Yeah, now let's get into what we're doing in today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you a few closet organization hacks, because who doesn't like a messy because who doesn't like an organized closet? Insert a picture of me awkwardly smiling. JK, I can't show my face. So yeah, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to make a closet way more organized and aesthetic. Question of the day. Comment down below what assumptions you guys have about me. You guys probably know what video I'm trying to make here, so yeah. Oh, and pause the video right here and subscribe so that we can get to 150 subscribers. Subscribe if you like Billie Eilish. Or if you don't, then please subscribe anyways. Yeah, now let's get on to the video. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my closet, obviously, because this wouldn't be a closet video without my closet. So here it is. I share my closet with my sister. Hashtag sibling life. So here it goes, my closet. It's super messy. I actually feel like I've shown you guys my closet before, which is kind of weird, but as you can see, it is super messy and we really need to get some cleaning done. The first tip is to actually go through your closet and look for things that you don't want anymore, or that don't fit you, or you know that you're just never going to wear. Because if you leave them in your closet for a long time, they're going to end up sitting there for a year or two and you're never going to touch them, so they're just taking up extra space in your closet. And instead of throwing your clothes away, you can actually donate it, which I think is super helpful for people who don't have clothes, and I think it's just really a good option. So a second tip is to use these same colored hangers, and I chose white ones. These are super cheap. You don't have to go like big and buy wooden hangers. Any hangers that you find that are all the same colored would work perfectly. I feel like this is going to take a while, so I'm just going to listen to music while switching out the hangers. Excuse my horrible singing. I'ma need space, I'ma need space, I have finally switched out all the hangers so that they are white, except for these two because I don't have any that can like hang up skirts. But a third tip is to sort all of your clothes by color. I'm going to put them all in rainbow order, so I'm going to color code them because I feel like that makes them look even nicer. So that is what I'm going to do right now. And here is my amazing color coding skills. Just kidding, it doesn't look that great. I do like how it looks with all white hangers. My sister's is on the other side, so it's pink. But yeah, I think it looks pretty nice and it looks way better than before. So I'm going to teach you some ways to fold your clothes so that everything looks nicely, so that it doesn't look like this. As you can see, this is what I go through in the morning. I have to like hunt for shirts that I want to wear. So this is not good at all. So I'm going to show you how you can fold your clothes easily. But first, I have to take everything out. So that should be fun. So same thing here. Go through your clothes and look for stuff that you aren't going to wear anymore so that you can donate them later. So that is what I'm going to do. But I'm pretty sure that most of these shirts I wear. So I think I don't really need to go through this pile. So now I'm going to show you how to fold your clothes so that everything is all organized. Hey guys, and welcome to Folding with Mayel. Today I'm going to teach you how to fold short sleeve shirts and long sleeve shorts, because we've been there, we've been struggling folding clothes. So the first thing you want to do is take one side of your clothes, fold it in, and do what I just showed you because I'm not good at explaining. And there you go, perfect short sleeve shirts. Now for long sleeves, same thing. Fold in your inner sleeves like shown in the video, and then fold it back up in half to get this perfect long sleeve shirt fold. So same thing as before, I'm going to color code everything, and I taught you how to fold them. The trick here is to have your clothes faced up so that you know what each t-shirt is. So you're basically going to put it in and make sure that everything is showing like that. I know you can't really see, but you see how they're all stacked up nicely, so you want to do that with all of your clothes. And the last and final tip is to use bins to organize anything such as socks, gloves, scarves, and hats. So in this bin I have all these and a bunch of random like wintry stuff, and that goes under my clothes right here on the top. And I bring out all of my clothes to like the front, and this is how my closet looks from the top angle. As you can see, I have the hang sorters there, and my clothes are all organized on that side. And yeah, I am standing on top of my little desk right now to get this amazing top view. And that is the completed closet organization, hacks, stuff, thingies, tips, tricks, whatever you want to call it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you answer the question of the day. That will help me a lot. I hope you guys use some of these tricks. If you want to see a video on how to build your wardrobe, then definitely vote in the polls. I'll probably leave a poll up somewhere. So yeah, vote in the poll if you want me to make a video on how to build a better wardrobe and stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!